Most people think they're good at geography until they take this test. Let's begin. Oktoberfest began in which country? Austria, Germany, or Switzerland? It's B, Germany. Where did the festival Holi originate? Nepal, Sri Lanka, or India? C, India. The tech giant Samsung is from which country? Japan, South Korea, or China? B, South Korea. Which sea lies east of Greece's mainland? Is it Aegean, Adriatic, or Ionian Sea? A, Aegean Sea. Known for a cuisine that prominently features hummus, Japan, Italy, or Lebanon? Lebanon is correct. That felt easy. Most people drop off right here. Which country is larger by area? Is it France, Spain, or Germany? A, France. Which country fits these clues? Coffee giant, an Amazon, Brazil, Colombia, or Peru? A, again, Brazil. Which country is colder on average? Would it be Sweden, Canada, or Norway? B, Canada. Only one of these countries does not use the euro: Portugal, Spain, or Sweden. It's C, Sweden. As of 2026, which country is more populous? Nigeria, Egypt, or Ethiopia? A, Nigeria. The language Swahili is national. Nigeria, Kenya, or Ghana? B, Kenya. Florence, Italy is known for which era? Industrial Age, Renaissance, or Stone Age? B, Renaissance. Mongolia is known for what landscape? Steppe grasslands, rainforests, or coral reefs? It's A, steppe grasslands. Quechua is widely spoken in Peru, Chile, or Argentina? A, Peru. Which country fits these clues? Desert and Berber culture, Sudan, Libya, or Morocco? Morocco? One country below does not use Cyrillic. Is it Croatia, Bulgaria, or Serbia? Answer A, Croatia. Using the phrase oil monarchies, which one doesn't belong? Bahrain, Jordan, or Oman? B, Jordan. Which country fits these clues? Landlocked, Alps, and no euro. Austria, Slovenia, or Switzerland? C, Switzerland. Which country fits these clues? Sahel, Timbuktu, and French-speaking. Niger, Mali, or Chad? B, Mali. Amharic is the language of which country? Ethiopia, Eritrea, or Somalia? Choice A, Ethiopia. If you're still doing well, this is where most people start missing. Which country is further north? UK, Denmark, or Netherlands? B, Denmark. One country doesn't belong to the Andes nations. Is it Peru, Ecuador, or Paraguay? C, Paraguay. One country is not a founding member of the European Union, Poland, Italy, or Belgium. Answer is A, Poland. Which country has a Sinhalese majority population? Maldives, Sri Lanka, or Bangladesh? B, Sri Lanka. Which of these countries is closer to Africa than to Europe? Is it Spain, Italy, or Greece? It's B, Spain. Which mountain overlooks Bulgaria's capital Sofia? Vitosha, Rila, or Pirin? A, Vitosha. Which country fits these clues? Danube capital and thermal baths, Romania, Hungary, or Slovakia? B, Hungary. This country was the site of the 1994 genocide. Is it Uganda, Burundi, or Rwanda? C, Rwanda. Which country is not part of the Nordic region? Estonia, Finland, or Sweden? Choice A, Estonia. Which part of Ireland is in the UK? Republic of Ireland, Northern Ireland, or Munster? B, Northern Ireland. One country fits all these clues: island, Nordic, and no standing army. Is it Norway, Ireland, or Iceland? C, Iceland. This empire centered in Anatolia. Where? Greece, Iran, or Turkey? C, Turkey. This canal reshaped trade. Is it Egypt, Panama, or Turkey? A, Egypt. Name the second major island of Fiji: Maui, Vanua, Lavu, or Guam? B, Vanua, Lavu. Panama's global shipping twin is in which country? Greece, Egypt, or Spain? B, Egypt. Almost done. But these last 5 decide your score. Don't rush. Which country likely consumes the most total rice annually? Vietnam, Thailand, or Malaysia? A, Vietnam. Which region does Turkey's capital Ankara lie in? Eastern Anatolia, Central Anatolia, or Aegean region? B, Central Anatolia. Which U.S. territory lies in the Caribbean Sea? Puerto Rico, Guam, or American Samoa? It's A, Puerto Rico. As of 2026, which is the richer country, Canada, Brazil, or Spain? As of 2026, it's Canada. Which is the older civilization site? USA, Iraq, or Australia? B, Iraq. Bonus question: which is visible from space without aid? Comment your guess. Thanks for subscribing to Stay Quizmar Smart.